India's Ayodhya witnessed a moment that will be remembered for generations. Prime Minister Modi hoisted a saffron flag on the spire of the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi temple, marking the completion of the temple's construction and opening a new chapter in India's cultural and spiritual journey. DD India's Rahul Upadhyay reports.
ये धर्म ध्वजा केवल एक ध्वजा नहीं, ये भारतीय सभ्यता के पुनर्जागरण का ध्वज है.
Marking a historic moment in India's socio-cultural and spiritual journey, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday ceremonially hoisted a saffron flag on the spire of the sacred Sri Ram Janmabhoomi temple in Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. The Dhwajarohan Utsav symbolizes the completion of temple's construction, ushering in a new chapter of cultural celebration and national unity. Addressing the gathering, the Prime Minister said, Ayodhya today is witnessing yet another pinnacle of India's cultural consciousness.
इसका भगवा रंग, इस पर रचित सूर्य वंश की ख्याति, वर्णित ओम शब्द और अंकित कोविदार वृक्ष राम राज्य की कीर्ति को प्रतिरूपित करता है. ये ध्वज संकल्प है, ये ध्वज सफलता है, ये ध्वज संघर्ष से सृजन की गाथा है, ये ध्वज सदियों से चले आ रहे स्वप्नों का साकार स्वरूप है.
Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and RSS Chief Dr. Mohan Bhagwat were also present on the occasion. Earlier, Prime Minister Modi visited the Sapta Mandir or 7 temples within the expansive Ram Janmabhoomi complex. These shrines honor Maharshi Vashisht, Maharshi Vishwamitra, Maharshi Agastya, Maharshi Valmiki, Devi Ahilya, Nishad Rajguru and Mata Shabri. The temples represent the revered gurus, devotees and companions who played pivotal roles in Lord Ram's life. PM Modi said the divine courtyard of Ram Mandir is emerging as a sacred symbol of India's collective strength, inspiring millions across generations.
कि राम मंदिर का दिव्य प्रांगण भारत के सामूहिक सामर्थ्य की भी चेतना स्थली बन रहा है. यहां 7 मंदिर बने हैं. यहां माता शबरी का मंदिर बना है, जो जनजातीय समाज के प्रेम भाव और आतिथ्य परंपरा की प्रतिमूर्ति है. यहां निषादराज का मंदिर बना है. ये उस मित्रता का साक्षी है जो साधन नहीं, साध्य को, उसकी भावना को पूजती है. ये मंदिर हमारी आस्था के साथ साथ मित्रता, कर्तव्य और सामाजिक सद्भाव के मूल्यों को भी शक्ति देते हैं.
The Prime Minister also offered prayers at the Sheshavatar Mandir, dedicated to Lakshman, younger brother of Lord Ram. Situated along the banks of Saryu River, the shrine traces its origins back to the Treta Yuga, adding timeless depth to the temple's spiritual aura. On arrival and after leaving the Ram temple, PM Modi held a vibrant roadshow in Ayodhya. Thousands thronged the streets in a festive, devotional atmosphere filled with chants, bhajans and the resonant sounds of shanks. The program is taking place on the auspicious occasion of Vivah Panchami, a day symbolizing divine union of Lord Ram and Goddess Sita. As the saffron flag flutters high above the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir, Ayodhya resonates with devotion and pride. The air is filled with chants, conch sounds and the collective heartbeat of millions. A moment etched in history, a symbol of unity, faith and cultural resurgence. And as the celebrations reach their crescendo, the voices of Ayodhya rise together in one eternal chant. Rahul Upadhyay's report for DD India.